In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export assets efficiently in Webflow. Whether you're designing a stunning website or just organizing your creativity, exporting assets efficiently is a vital skill. So, let's dive right into it and streamline your workflow. First, we need to start by navigating to Webflow's main website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and enter webflow.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the vibrant homepage inviting you to explore all the powerful features Webflow offers. Next, let's go ahead and log into your account. To do this, look for the Login option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login screen. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow account. I recommend double-checking your details to ensure a smooth login. After you've successfully logged in, you're going to be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This area serves as your hub for all projects you've been working on or planning to start. From here, take a moment to locate and click on the specific project from which you want to export your assets. Once inside your project, it's time to find the Assets panel. Look for the Assets option. It's typically represented by an icon that resembles a stack of cards or a folder. Clicking this will open up a panel showing all the images, files, and media elements you've used or uploaded in this project. Now, hover over the asset you wish to export. You should see a three-dot icon appear beside your selected asset. This icon serves as a menu for more options related to that specific item. Give it a click to move to the next step. By clicking the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find several options for managing your asset, but what we're focused on here is the Open Link option. This feature is fantastic because it directly opens the asset in your browser, allowing you to see it in its full resolution and ready for download. Once your asset opens in a new tab, all you need to do is right-click on the image or file and choose Save As to download it to your computer. Make sure to save it in a well-organized folder on your system, so you'll easily find it later when you need to include it in another project or presentation. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently export your assets in Webflow, making your design process smoother and more organized. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Webflow guides to maximize your web design potential. Happy designing!